And here we go!
Not that good.
The pancakes, like pancake style of pancakes.
Cut across.
Yeah, twice.
Oh my god.
What are you doing, bro?
Wipe it.
What the fuck was that?
It all breaks in the middle.
He burrowed straight, but tackled 15 out from his own line.
Motherfucker. street.
What in the fuck are you doing?
Fucking moron. No, but this can't like keep it nowhere.
You just ran a red light.
He got in the A's and come.
Really? What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
What the fuck is that?
You're both fucking nuts!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
8 for 2, 6, 6. And that means the lead is to 17. 8 for 2, 6, 6. And that means the lead is sitting at 299. So if Indy was to get 2 wickets here, they'd be chasing 300 even to win. But Nathan Lyon doesn't want a bar of that, and Cummins played that well. That time was a pull shot just above chest height.
Especially when you're going to get no ball.
The curve bowls fished up the line and he fished out of it.
Sorry?
Did you beat officer?
Yeah, I did, buddy, because you come around from a turning lane and just about cut me off, mate.
No, I didn't. There's plenty of room. What's the fine for that?
I don't know. I don't drive that way.
Oh, I thought you were a copper.
No.
No. Should watch who you beat that, bro. You get in trouble for that shit.
That's okay. I've got it all on camera here, buddy.
I'll take you on your plate and I'll chase your lady, you fucking gronk.
No problems.
Right?
Yeah.
You. You're fucking no one.
I'm a bit more than no one, buddy.
Oh, you better. You look like it. You look like you're someone. I've got 50 around my fucking neck, you gronk.
You must have more money than me because you can wear a chain
That's because
like
I'm
that.
someone.
Yeah. That's okay.
Now, if you're more than someone, you should have more than me, mate.
Thank you.
There's plenty of room back there.
No worries.
Blah, 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 blah.